Your trembling is negotiable. For hours, the skies themselves become your enemy. This is where most men discover who they truly are. A frightened mammal covered in gull waste clutching a chair for meaning. And last, but never least, on the final night, the ultimate in resilience reforgement. The Midnight Seagull Retribution Warpath trademarked. On the final night at 1 a.m., participants apply tactical war paint and enter the shoreline barefoot on a primal revenge quest against the gull. But vengeance cannot be taught, only demonstrated. Just as morale peaks, instructors emerge from the darkness wearing horrifying full-scale seagull costumes armed with paintball guns and compressed air fish launchers. Participants are hunted, encircled, and zip-tied together in the sand. Bread and baby laxative is scattered around their bodies as the gulls descend from above in biblical numbers ready to disperse tactical humility trademark. The modern world has made you weak. Soft hands, indoor opinions, fully regulated emotions. Ascension Unlimited trademark was built to change that. 3 days, no comfort, no vulnerability, no escape from the gull. Just tactical hardship, calibrated humiliation, and the kind of growth that leaves permanent psychological residue. The ice is waiting. The turtles are waiting. The gulls already know who you are. Ascension Unlimited trademark. Every time, all the time. Ascension Unlimited trademark is not responsible for avian-related injuries, glute trauma, snapping turtle incidents, or beach-based restraint scenarios. Tactical humility outcomes may vary. Participants waive all rights to dignity upon entering this lap dome trademark. Any gull making physical contact with the participant is considered legally dominant for the remainder of the exercise.